Hello students, welcome to the next grammar topic, prepositions. Hope you have read and understood the prepositions. Can you define what is a preposition? Preposition. If you divide that word into two parts, easily you can get the definition of this word. I am LD Ratnakar. Welcome you to the second session. That is the second grammar topic, preposition. When you divide the word preposition into two parts, the first part is the word pre and the second one is position. Means pre means before, position means the positions or the locations. Easily you can define these words as the words are the expressions used before noun or pronoun to show the relationship of another noun and pronoun in the sentence. In Kannada we call them as upasargagalu. Means they are placed before a noun, pronoun or an adjective in the given sentence of the relationship of another noun and pronoun in the sentence. They are usually used to indicate a place, time, manner, reason, purpose, direction, instrument, etc. The word preposition means to place before. It is generally placed before a noun or pronoun. Sometimes it may come at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. There are about 50 prepositions in English language. They are used to show the relationship between noun and pronoun, adjective and noun, or verb and noun. They are just like linking words. They link the nouns and pronouns in the same sentence. For example, the book is on the table. In this sentence, the book is a noun, the table is also a noun, and on is a preposition here. Just look at the relationship it indicates. It indicates the relationship of noun and pronoun in the given sentence. On is a preposition. It indicates the relationship of these two nouns. They are called prepositions. They are placed before the nouns, pronouns, sometimes adjective nouns. Next example. What are you looking for? For is another preposition there. It is used at the end of the sentence. It is a WH question there. Sometimes it is used at the beginning. At what time do you come? It is at the beginning. They are placed in the sentence anywhere. Now come to the kinds of preposition or types of preposition. There are 4 types of preposition. They are classified into 4 types. First type is called simple preposition. Second one is called compound prepositions. Third one, phrasal prepositions. Here participle preposition I had written, and the fourth one is phrasal prepositions. What is a simple preposition? These are the words, they have single syllable in it, and they are called simple prepositions. For examples such as in, on, at, by, of, out, up, for, till, through, etc. are called simple prepositions. Second type is called compound prepositions. The prepositions which are formed by combining two simple prepositions together and also by prefixing a or b to a noun, an adjective or an adverb are called compound prepositions. These are two syllable words. The chief preposition of this kind are into, about, across, outside, behind, inside, without, along, among, between, beside, beneath, etc. are called cheap compound prepositions. And the third type is called participle prepositions. Participle prepositions are just like your tense prepositions. The present or past participle forms of verbs which function as prepositions are called participle prepositions. For example, concerning, regarding, pending, barring, etc. are called participle prepositions. And the last type of preposition is called appraisal prepositions. In this type you have the word praise. Praise means a group of words which function as a single preposition is called appraisal prepositions or praise prepositions. The main praise prepositions are fond of, in order to, away from, far away, instead of, in spite of, on behalf of, on virtue of, for the sake of, at the rate of, etc. are called appraisal prepositions. These are the four types of prepositions, but for your reference you have to remember only first two types of prepositions, simple and compound prepositions. Most of these words, like your prepositions, they are used to indicate a place, time, manner, reason, purpose, direction, instrument, etc. Most of the words carry same or similar meaning. That is why we have to be careful when we are placing or using these prepositions. We need to understand the meaning of the given sentence. Here sentence or the context, use appropriate prepositions. Because of the same and similar meaning, often they confuse us. But it is our duty to consult a dictionary and try to find out the exact meaning of these words. Most of these prepositions usually placed before their objects, but sometimes they are used after their objects. So it is necessary to know their use in the framework of the sentences. As I have told you, they show the relationship like your sambandha suchakas. They show the relationship of nouns, pronouns, sometimes adjective or verb nouns. Many examples you have. The ball fell into the well. Here into is a preposition there. We cannot live without water. Without is a preposition here. I know all about him. About is preposition there. Many examples you have. Children are fond of sweets. Fond of is a praise preposition. In your workbook, you have some examples. Read all those examples, and there is a pyramid picture. There are preposition of time, preposition of places, and preposition of direction. Understand the use of all these prepositions. In the next class, I am going to deal with a picture here. This small picture, a box picture, will help you to understand some positions of the prepositions. Later we'll discuss about the confusing prepositions. Thank you.